this video, I am trying something very special. Sewing through Velcro with a Singer Model 20. Now I have my Velcro loop side on the fabric that I know I'm placing into a pattern. And I do have to go slowly. And you need to hold it in place. But unless you're using a machine that runs right over Velcro, you kind of have to do that anyway. I'm using Dual Duty XP thread by Coats, which is a polyester thread. Now, if this doesn't come out right, don't believe it, because I just did it a moment ago, took it apart, and I'm doing it again. Kind of like pinching yourself to make sure something's real. And it was going faster a moment ago. This is my challenging Model 20 machine. So if this will do it, any of them will do it. And I think it's reacting to the loops. That was my finger. I did go faster a moment ago. And now it's not doing it. Yes, it is. It looks like it's not doing it, yet it is. The thread, when it's on the top, is just getting stuck in the loops. But the stitches are actually complete on the bottom. So look at that. A Model 20 sews Velcro. I don't think I'd want to do it all the time. But you don't necessarily have to give up Velcro if you use a Model 20.